I'm Sofie Prekatsounaki, PhD student at the Institute for Family and Sexuality Studies, and I have a personal question for you. When do you feel sexual desire for your partner? And is it always the same over time and circumstances? Probably not. Sexual desire ebbs and flows, and chances are that at some point of your relationship, you or your partner will have sexual desire concerns. They are number one reason for seeking sexual counseling. But sexual desire is strongly associated with individual and relational well-being. To support this well-being, it's necessary to understand how sexual desire works within a couple relationship. Although traditionally considered an individual drive, we know now that sexual desire is a dyadic process, affected by the interactions between two partners. Empirical explorations of such interactions have been scarce, though, and mostly focused on the experience of women in a heterosexual relationship. As a result, we know even less about the ways in which dyadic interactions affect sexual desire in men and in same-sex couples. We want to fill this gap by investigating how sexual desire of men and women in a mixed-sex or same-sex committed relationship is affected by the way partners interact on a cognitive, emotional, and physical level. We'll start by exploring which interactions are relevant for men's and women's sexual desire through focus group discussions. We'll then investigate the effect of these interactions on sexual desire using experience sampling methods. That means we'll ask both partners of couples to report on their daily dyadic interactions and their daily sexual desire through a mobile phone app for 5 weeks. We'll also give them behavioral assignments to change how they interact with each other. We'll then measure if these changes have an effect on their sexual desire and hold in-depth interviews with participating couples that report such effects. Adding their insights to the hard data, we hope to get one step closer to explaining the ebbs and flows of sexual desire and to identifying how it can be nurtured and sustained within a long-term committed relationship.